Heart Evangelista, hindi mo aakalain na 40 years old na sa kanyang look. Talagang batang-bata pa rin siya at talaga namang napakaganda. Ang tawag nga sa kanya ay isang bonfire dahil nga hindi tumatanda ang kanyang skin at ang kanyang look. Proud na proud naman ang kanyang hubby or husband na si Mr. Chis Escudero at palagi nga sa tabi niya lalo-lalo na magbablow na nga ng candle itong si Heart. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Pinagkaguluhan nga talaga ang birthday celebration ni Heart Evangelista dahil titignan mo napakasimple ng mga cake pero very elegant itong tignan dahil nga ang may birthday ay ang isang icon. Fashion icon na talaga namang pinagkakaguluhan kahit sa ibang bansa. Nariyan din ang mga sikat na artista na dumalo sa kanyang kaarawan gaya ni Bea Alonzo na isa rin sa pinakamaganda sa mundo ng showbiz. Nariyan din ang nag-aalaga sa kanilang skin na si Dr. Ivy kasama rin ang kanyang asawa na si Dr. Theo. Kitang-kita rin sa celebration na sobrang nag-enjoy din si Bea Alonzo. Kahit na walang nobyo itong si Bea Alonzo at kahit na ito ay may edad na, parang si Heart Evangelista ang kagandahan, hindi rin tumatanda ang kanyang look.
Heart, make a wish. Make 40 wishes, as many wishes as you like.
Nakakatouch din ang isa sa mga pagbati ng kanyang makeup artist na si Mr. Hill Sayo na very close din sa kanya. Walang makeup artist dahil kaibigan ang tour ni Heart Evangelista sa kanya kaya naman in return, mahal na mahal siya ng kanyang mga glam team. Sabi nga dito ni Mr. Hill Sayo, "Thank you for sharing your life to each and every one of us. You have been so kind, generous, genuine, loving, hardworking, dedicated on your craft. What else can I say? We will always run out of words to describe you. No one word can give you the best adjective in this world. I'm grateful for you and always remember that I do love you. You're such a blessing to so many people. Now that you are now your new chapter 40, may God continue to bless you, good heart, savor every moment, every success, every single person in your life, especially your family, and every little things that makes you really happy. May this new chapter be more adventurous and meaningful for you. We are always behind you, dear. Love you so much, dear." At syempre, dahil nga very kind-hearted itong si Heart Evangelista, sumagot din siya sa kanyang glam team or pinaka-makeup artist na si Mr. Hill Sayo. Ang sabi niya, "Love you so much." Napaka-elegante nga ni Miss Heart, tignan lalong-lalo na ang kanyang makeup. At syempre, marami rin ang nagmamahal sa kanya, marami rin ang nagpabigay ng pagbati mula sa kanyang comment section. Sabi nga dito ng isang tagahanga, "Feel ko talaga ever since mabait si Miss Heart. Totoo yung sinasabi niya na maarte lang siya pero mabuting tao po siya." Mula man sa ibang komento, Miss Heart is equally lucky and blessed to have you as part of her core circle. As a professional, you know your craft. And as her friend, you are sincere and genuine. Heart is the only woman that looks like teenager at 40.
Parang alam na mga artist ko, saan namin siya President, Arnold, ko, Albert, doon ako yung friend yung barkada namin apat. So parang, dati ba si Len, work na tayo. And then, may nangyari, I think she was broken-hearted or something, or I don't know. Sige, broken-hearted, aminin ko na. And then, malungkot siya, tapos sabi namin sa kanya, usap kami, tapos nag-open up siya, tapos sabi namin sa kanya, sige, pag nalulungkot ka, or whatever, please call us, samahan ka namin.
Your birthday! Happy 40th birthday, Heart. Thank you for the friendship. Mabilis lang to. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na mahal na mahal kita at meron ko pang isang kapatid dito sa New York City. I love you, dear. Hi, happy birthday.
Marami pa nga ang sunod-sunod na nagbibigay pagbati kay Miss Heart Evangelista. Not just a party but a celebration of all things exquisite and special. Happy birthday, darling, mula kay Kenny Boy. Mula naman kay Roslyn. Happy birthday, idol. Nang dahil sa iyo, di ako marunong mag-ulit ng damit. Charis. Happy birthday, idol. I love you. Mula naman kay Lian Diaz, happy birthday, Heart Evangelista. I wish you all the best. I hope you can inspire everyone dreaming of becoming a model someday. I want you to know that you inspire me. And because of you, I want to become a model someday and go to Paris to do fashion and attend some fashion shows. You're such a great role model for everyone, so continue doing fashion. I'm so proud of you. Happy birthday again, Heart Evangelista. We love you.
Amazing. Heart, make a wish. Make 40 wishes, as many wishes as you like. How lovely.
Happiest birthday, Miss Heart. You're such an inspiration. Keep slaying and shining bright. Wishing you more blessing. Always love you, my queen. Mula kay Alexandra Rars, happy birthday, Miss Heart. Say hello to your fabulous 40s because you're only getting better with age. Keep on shining. You are amazing. Welcome to the fabulous 40s, Heart. Makes me happy to the family during this occasion. Happy birthday, Heart.